In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a voiceover in Shotcut. We'll go from setting up your timeline to making sure your microphone is recognized and then capturing a clean recording right inside the editor. By the end, you'll feel confident laying down your narration without leaving Shotcut. First, let's add a place for your voiceover to live. In Shotcut, that means creating an audio track on the timeline. Look to the left side of your timeline area. You can click the small hamburger icon there, or simply right-click on the left side of the timeline. From the menu that appears, go to Track Operations and then choose Add Audio Track. You'll see a new audio lane appear. This keeps your narration separate from your main video and any music, which makes editing much easier later. If your timeline already has video, don't worry. Adding an audio track won't disturb it. Next, make sure Shotcut can hear your microphone. Go to the top left of the window and click File, choose Open Other, and then select Audio/Video Device. In the panel that opens, find the Audio Input dropdown and choose your microphone or audio interface from the list. Pick the device you actually plan to speak into. When you're ready, click OK. At this point, Shotcut recognizes your mic, so you're set to record. If the levels seem too low or too hot, adjust your mic gain or speak a little closer or farther from the mic for a balanced sound. Now you can record your voiceover. Look above the timeline for the microphone icon. Click it once to start recording. You'll begin capturing audio immediately, so speak clearly and at a steady pace. Try to keep your mouth the same distance from the microphone to avoid volume jumps and glance at the meters to keep your levels out of the red. When you're done, click the microphone icon again to stop. Your recording is saved in your project, ready for arranging and syncing with your visuals. If you hear any pops or breaths, a quick retake can be faster than heavy editing, and using headphones helps prevent your speakers from bleeding into the mic. That's it. That's how to record a voiceover in Shotcut. Add your audio track, tell Shotcut which microphone to use, and use the microphone icon to start and stop recording. With these steps, you can capture narration quickly and keep your entire workflow in one place. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.